Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we're calling the best fake 20 inches, the Decorous Fake Succulents Unpotted 20-pack. Whether you're a seasoned DIY decorator, a plant lover without a green thumb, or just someone looking to spruce up your space with zero maintenance, this artificial succulent set might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's kick things off by talking about presentation and packaging. The 20 succulents come unpotted and neatly packed in a small, elegant box, making it not just ideal for personal use, but also ready to be gifted. Birthdays, housewarmings, or even Christmas, you won't need to worry about wrapping or presentation. The first thing you'll notice when opening the box is the quality of the visuals. These faux succulents are designed to be as lifelike as possible. Decorous uses high-quality plastic material that gives each piece a realistic look and texture. The plants come in various colors like green, red, pink, purple, yellow, and brown, which adds a vibrant yet natural touch to any arrangement. From aloe and echeveria to string of pearls and even faux pine, the assortment feels rich and diverse. And when we say they're realistic, we mean you'll probably need to touch them to be convinced they aren't real. Size-wise, each succulent is designed to fit comfortably into small pots, bowls, terrariums, or even wall-mounted planters. The overall box dimensions are 8.6 inches deep, 5.5 inches wide, and 5.5 inches high, which makes for a compact but generous bundle of decor possibilities. If you're into crafting, this 20-pack gives you the freedom to mix and match styles or fill multiple containers around your home. Now, let's talk about decor versatility. These succulents work wonderfully across different interior settings. Use them as table centerpieces, mantle accents, on your kitchen countertop, or even scattered across bookshelves. The mix of colors and textures allows them to blend seamlessly into modern, rustic, boho, or even minimalist aesthetics. You don't need to worry about lighting, watering, or soil, and they'll never outgrow their space or attract pests. Because they're unpotted, you have full control over how you use them. Whether you're filling a large arrangement or working on a craft project, this format gives you more creative flexibility. They're not bound to a single container, which means one box can go a long way in transforming multiple corners of your home. Another standout point is the brand's attention to quality. Decorous isn't just about creating faux plants, they emphasize both design and durability. The materials used are designed to resist fading and wear over time, so whether you're using them in a bright sunroom or a low-light hallway, they'll continue looking fresh and vibrant. What's also worth mentioning is that this product comes from a small business brand. Supporting small businesses means encouraging originality and high-quality craftsmanship, and this product definitely reflects those values. You're not getting mass-produced, generic-looking faux plants here. Each piece feels thoughtfully designed, adding character to your decor. To wrap it up, the Decorous Fake Succulents Unpotted 20-pack really lives up to the name of being the best fake 20. It's a beautiful, low-maintenance solution for anyone wanting the aesthetic of real plants without the hassle. With premium materials, artistic variation, and gifting-ready packaging, it's a strong contender in the artificial plant world. If you're ready to get creative with your home decor, this might be your next go-to set. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe for more hands-on product breakdowns. And drop a comment if you've tried these out or want to see similar reviews. See you in the next one.